I thought I would show you the Howard P60 that we've mechanically repaired. I started this a couple of years ago, made a new pinion gear for it because this is gear driven, which is a poor idea really, as there's only a pint of oil in this gearbox. The pinion here was nearly completely worn away as it's only splash fed. And the idler and the driven gear on the bottom here were also worn, but I managed to source those from Westlake Plough Parts new old stock, but we couldn't get the pinions. It's 6 spline 16 tooth. We could get a 6 spline 15 tooth and a 6 spline 17 tooth, so I bit the bullet and made a new gear, which you can see on a video from a couple of years ago. It's DP4 diametrical pitch 4. Also on the bottom here there's a spacer between the gear and the back of the stub shaft, which the oil seal runs on. So I made a new one of those that was a tight fit over the spline, but unfortunately the original spacer had worked loose and worn the shaft slightly, but we managed to secure it with bearing lock and it hasn't leaked, so that's a good thing. If we come round here, this is a selector tilth model, whereas there's gears in here you can change to alter the tilth, and also the gate here, or well, gate I suppose, you can lift that up and down to also alter the tilth. And this bracket here was missing to hold the chain, so we made a new one of those. We also fabricated a new wear plate, which is completely, the original was worn away apart from both ends. And the previous owner must have thought it was better to wear the carrier away than replace the wear plate. Never mind. Also made a new handle for the adjuster. What else have I done? We've put a complete new set of spades on it, which was quite easy to do because we took the actual rotor out when we repaired the gearbox. We need a cover for the slip clutch, whether we can source one of those or make it, and of course it'll need a coat of paint at some time, but whether we ever get that done I don't know. I say I started it 2 years ago, made the gear, and then I watched Dave's workshop on YouTube and it inspired me to finish it, so now it's ready to do some work. Thanks.